Hey guys, what's happening? How to voice chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. So you're gonna go ahead and open up your WhatsApp, okay? And you're gonna go ahead to the Meta AI right here. And as you can see, you won't be able to see the mic option, at least on my phone, because I haven't received that feature yet. I just got the Meta AI, but I'm sure in the future updates, I'm gonna be able, or in the upcoming updates, sorry, I'm gonna be able to see the voice chat option at the bottom right, next to the messages blank. Okay, and I'm gonna be able to chat with Meta AI and ask them questions. But for now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and ask questions about relationships. Okay, so for example, I want to make or go out on a date. Okay, how should I approach it? And you're gonna be able right to see the Meta AI response. Okay, and you're gonna be able to go through their response. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. Catch you the next time. And make sure that you updated your WhatsApp to the latest version in order to access the new features. So see you in the next one.